Hello and welcome everyone. In one of our previous tutorials, we have understood how we can convert bytes data to string in Python. And in this video tutorial, we are going to understand how we can convert a string type data into bytes. So in this video tutorial, we will cover two different methods to convert string type data to bytes. The first method is by using the encode method and the second method is by using the byte constructor. So I will quickly move to my Jupyter notebook. So in the previous tutorial only we have discussed what are strings and what are bytes in Python and how we can define them. So just a short overview. To define a string we either use single quotes or double quotes, and to define bytes type data we can either use the bytes constructor or we can simply use small or capital B while defining our sequence of data. So you can see the first example where I have defined a string underscore data variable, which is a string type data. Here I have used a single quotes to define the string type data, and I'm printing the data type by using the type function, and I'm also printing the data by using the print function. So if I execute this cell, so here you can see this data belongs to str class, representing that it is a string type data. Same way I have defined a bytes data. The name of this variable is bytes underscore data, and in the same fashion I am printing the data type and the data. If I execute this cell also, here you can see this data belongs to bytes class, representing it is a bytes data type. Now let's see how we can convert string to bytes. So in the very first method we can use the encode method with our string type data. So this is my string variable, and here I have used the encode method with it, and within the encode method I have defined the encoding. So in this case I am using UTF-8 encoding. Now I'm storing the converted value in another variable, that is bytes underscore data. Then I'm simply printing the data type and the value using the print and the type function. So if I execute this cell, here you can see now this new converted data belongs to bytes class, and here also with the data also you can see a B is coming, which is representation of byte stream. In the same fashion we can also use the bytes constructor to convert the string type data into bytes. So for this we will use the bytes constructor, and within the parenthesis we will pass our string type data. So I am passing string underscore data. In the second argument we need to specify the encoding. So for this I am using the UTF-8 encoding, and then I am simply printing the data type and the value by using the print and the type function. So if I execute this cell also, you can see now the new variable belongs to bytes class, and the data also is coming as bytes. So this is all for this video. So I hope you have understood how we can convert string type data into bytes Python using the encode and the bytes constructor. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you really like this video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Moreover, if you have any sort of suggestion, you can mail us at the given email ID, and you can also use the comment box. Thank you so much.